So you've defined the problem. How does the questionnaire designer actually provide the solution?
Well, one of the big benefits of this being a solution is that the questions and the results are both stored in Acumatica as opposed to an external document. The users begin by building a library of questions. And these questions could be related to anything that meets the requirements. For example, these questions could be just general, about a general inspection. They might be specific to a particular item or model of an item. They could be a questionnaire related to a case that's been opened, or even a project site survey. So these questions are accumulated into a library, and there are different data types related to these questions. So when a user responds to these questions, they may be a numeric value, they may be an alphabetic value or text. It could be a radio button. It could just be a simple checkbox. So these questions can cover a lot of different formats and again apply to different needs of an organization. Now, once these questions are assembled into the library, they're actually put into a template. So you have a questionnaire template. And when you're getting ready to use that template, you then copy it and attach it to a document in Acumatica. So for example, it might be a service order with an inspection report. It might be a case with that survey list of questions. It could be a project where the questionnaire is a punch list of items that need to be validated for approval. So once that once that template is copied to that document, it becomes a unique questionnaire specific for that document, and you can actually amend those questions once they're assigned. Once you finalize that questionnaire, it then gets distributed to the user that's going to be complete it, and it can be completed either on a desktop through the standard user interface, or the questions can also be presented on the mobile version of the application. Once the results are collected, they're actually stored in the database and attached to that document, that service order or that case or that project. And that data can then be rendered to typically a report, but also you can export that data. Sometimes a manufacturer might want to know what the results are for service history on a piece of equipment. Or a government can use that data to import into their own reporting tools.